Today we're taking a look at the Telford Titan RV sewer hose. This sewer hose allows you to drain your black water and your gray water tanks at your dump station. This RV sewer hose, when fully extended, measures 15 feet in length, but when fully collapsed, this sewer hose can be about 89 to 90, 85 inches in length. This RV sewer hose does not stay collapsed, so I'm going to give you a warning about that. This RV sewer hose does not stay collapsed down to its original size if you extend it out completely. I want you guys to know this RV sewer hose is great to be used when you're an RVer, when you're a frequent RVer. You are a frequent RVer and you like to use this. Most RV sewer lines like these are going to be made of TPE, but this RV sewer hose here is going to come with a couple of features that we may go over with right now. Let's go over these features right now. First of all, we have what is called the revolving 5-in-1 sewer adapter. This is your revolving 5-in-1 sewer adapter. Now, what this does is, as I'm emptying out my tanks, what I'm doing here is I'm emptying out my tanks. What I'm doing is I am putting this in the ground and emptying out my tanks. So this does fit onto this pipe here. It does fit onto this pipe here, as you guys can see. It does fit on this pipe here, but it doesn't have anywhere for it to go. But you can see if the water was to flow freely through it, that would present a really big issue. All right, and I don't want anything to get caught in that pipe and get clog our sewer line up. All right, so this right here is the 5-in-1 sewer adapter. Okay, this right here is called the revolving 5-in-1 90-degree universal sewer adapter. Now, reason why I say it's a revolving sewer adapter is you can see that this part right here rotates. This part right here rotates to make sure that you have a really nice angle for you to grip the RV sewer hose. You also have an ergonomic extend grip handle at the front of the unit. You can also see that this unit also is going to allow you to not touch any of the crap that is on the RV sewer hose. If you're emptying out your black water and your gray water tanks, what will happen is, as you're emptying out your tanks, you're going to get poop all over the outside of the line, and you're not going to want to touch the poop. So that's why you should always wear sanitation gloves when you are dealing with sewer lines. We're going to talk about the steps when dealing with an RV sewer line. We're going to talk about the do's and don'ts when dealing with an RV sewer line. All right. So when it comes to this RV sewer hose is great in color. This RV sewer hose is great, as you can see. You can see that this RV sewer hose has there's the 4 hooks. The 4 hooks on the 90-degree universal sewer adapter will allow the unit to be connected to the dump station frequently at the time. Now, this connects onto the hose like this. It connects on the hose just like this, and as you can see, it looks like this when connected to the RV sewer hose. All right. So I wanted to give you guys a little notice here about this RV sewer line being connected to the dump station. All right. When connected to the dump station, it looks like this. All right. But when not connected to the dump station, what you do is you just take it off. You just take it off like this. You just take it off like that, and then you're done using it. So now what we're going to do is take a look at the 2 drip caps. These 2 drip caps here will fit on the inside of your RV sewer hose like this. They fit on the inside of the RV sewer hose like this. As you can see, they do fit into the RV sewer hose like this. So when you take it off, you can just take it out like that, and it just comes out just like that. All right. You also have on the RV sewer hose itself, you're going to have a really big hose itself. Now, we're going to talk about the hose itself. The hose itself is made of a 23 millimeter thick TPE spawn around a polymer helix. The polymer helix is spawned around the RV sewer hose. which basically makes it really nice to be used in color, makes it really nice to be used. If this sewer hose was to get crushed and stepped on, this RV sewer hose will resist crushing, okay? It will resist crushing. It will come back into its original shape, and that's what you're going to get with this RV sewer hose here if you purchase one off of Amazon. Now, this hose is rather expensive, okay? If you key in the assistive technology it uses, which is the crushless technology, the crushless technology, the revolving 5-in-1 sewer adapter, the ergonomic extend grip fittings and stuff. Oh, I just gave that away from you guys. I'm very sorry. The fittings and stuff, you have to have this whole thing, this whole kit. All this stuff is included with this whole kit. All right. Now, let's take a look at the fittings of the RV sewer hose. All right. We already looked at one of them, which was the revolving 5-in-1 sewer adapter. Okay. This fitting right here is the lug fitting. The lug fitting is designed to fit on the end of the RV sewer hose, and it basically is made to fit onto another sewer hose or at the dump station. Well, in this theory, what we're going to do is we're going to use this RV sewer hose at the dump station, okay, and we're going to connect our revolving 5-in-1 sewer adapter to this. You see here, it connects just like that. It connects just like that. Hopefully the son of a bitch does not fall off. So, as you guys can see here, excuse me about my language, y'all. This RV sewer hose does connect to the dump station at this time, all right? Now, the lug fitting is going to consist of 4 pins, which will allow the unit to be fully crushed, which will allow the unit to be sturdily connected when you're emptying out your black water or your gray water tanks. Let's take a look at this fitting right here. This fitting at the other end of the RV sewer hose is the bayonet fitting. This right here is called the ergonomic extend grip bayonet fitting. And how this works is when you're going to pick up your RV sewer line like this, when you're picking it up like this, you're not touching the crappy part, okay? You're not touching the crappy part, all right? You're not touching the crappy part of the RV sewer line. So what you're doing is you're preventing yourself from touching any of the poo-poo areas of the RV sewer hose, any of the nasty areas of the RV sewer hose, I should say. All right. Now, when this hose is fully connected to the dump station, it is a 15-foot long hose. All right. But the bad thing about this hose is a lot of people get pissed off about it and say, oh shit, this hose does not stay collapsed. Well, I was aware of it then. I was aware of it before. I was actually aware of it when I got it. I was actually not aware of it, but I learned about it when I got it off of Amazon. When I got it from some friends of mine at church, they used to go to church with me. They told me before, this hose does work really well, but this hose does not stay collapsed really well. All right, so I'm gonna let go of it real quick and show you guys what it does. See there? It just comes back into its original shape just like that. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the ergonomic extend grip bayonet fitting up closer so that you guys can see. You see there? See right there? There's the ergonomic extend grip bayonet fitting, and there's the inner coil of the hose right there. So you see there? There's the inner coil right there. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you key in the Helix design of this RV sewer hose, you could get a really nice RV sewer line that is going to resist crushing and tearing up on you as you're using it. All right. So another thing I want to talk about with this RV sewer hose is the hassle-free warranty that comes with this RV sewer hose. Now, if you are expecting a warranty with this RV sewer hose, you could probably get a 10-year warranty because this hose will not last, okay? Raw sewage can degrade the hose, all right? Raw sewage can cause your sewer hose to degrade, and that could get you in a lot of trouble, all right? That can cause pinholes and leaks to form. All right. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about what happens when you're using your RV sewer line and what happens when it comes to pinholes forming on your RV sewer line. Now, most situations like these, if you think about your RV sewer line, you're going to get a really, really big problem to occur if you don't use your sewer line properly. All right. All right. So I want us to demonstrate